In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of migrating Gmail emails to Office 365 account using the BitRecover Gmail Backup Wizard. To install our Gmail to Office 365 migrator, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, enter your Gmail address and click Sign In with Google option. A new window will open asking to select the Google account to sign in with. Click on Select All option. Click on Continue and go back to the tool. Select or deselect folder for migration using the checkbox in the panel on the left. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select Office 365 option for this tutorial. Enter your Office 365 email address. Next, simply click the Backup button. A new window will open on screen to log into your Microsoft Office 365 account. After logging in, the migration will begin. Once the migration is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully migrated Gmail emails. Click OK and open the Office 365 mailbox to access the newly migrated mails.
Our tool provides users with filter options for selective backup. Here, user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in converted files, such as date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and others. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.